Welcome to the EBA Day studio here in Dublin. Joining me in conversation is Christian Westerhaus, and we're talking about license to operate. Christian, hello.
Hello.
Christian is from Deutsche Bank. And Christian, the first question I want to pose to you is there is a move towards digital transformation, globalization, competition. What sort of impact is this having on the more traditional transactional banking business models?
Transaction banking is an attractive business today, and it's going to be an attractive business going forward if you invest in the right things. So traditionally, digital for transaction banking meant straight-through processing. Traditionally, 100% straight-through processing rate in transaction banking used to be a benchmark, or close to 100% STP rate. Now digital means many more things. It does not only mean straight-through processing for traditional payments. It does mean digital data assets about client transactions, client balances, client activity, financial risk, that means overdrafts, daylight overdrafts, but also non-financial risk data from the anti-financial crime space, KYC, know your client, and anti-money laundering.
So as you say, there's so much more to it now. So what must banks do to be successful in the future?
Wisely in the right things, understand the full cycle between products, clients, investments, processes, operations, IT, not only from a product angle, but also from a business controls angle and financial risk point of view. Invest in the right products, in the processes, and also in the people. Not just in the business, also in operations and IT, and the so-called infrastructure functions, also the second line of defense.
Thank you, Christian. Now, compliance and regulation is still a big overhead for banks. So how can these new technologies be used to automate the process and make it more efficient?
I wouldn't say it's new technologies all the time. Is the way we manage data, is also the way we organize our processes, that we combine technologies which have been in place with new opportunities that we have. So for example, with Swift GPI, for the first time, we connect our traditional payment data, transactional data, with tracking those transactions in a cloud with an API.
So picking up from that, what effect does that have on current operating processes?
It means better integration. It means exploiting potential for synergies where traditionally the focus wouldn't have been. So it is in the interfaces between the different disciplines in a bank, and digitalize wherever you can for a better outcome. Also serving our clients in a better manner. Think about the corporates, for example, as they move to a new digital era. We must follow their development, not only in terms of geographies, currencies, but also their processes, how they do their productions, their logistics, their processes and client interactions.
Christian, thank you so much for coming in today here in Dublin.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching.